In a small village lived a boy named Rifat. He always dreamed of touching the sky. One day, he saw a butterfly filled with a bright blue light was floating in front of him.
আমি তোমার স্বপ্নের পথ দেখাতে এসেছি।
Rifat is surprised. They came to the end of the village, where a strange door of light was created.
এই দরজার ওপারে আছে স্বপ্নের বন।
Suddenly, she sees a colorful path with her name written on it is glowing in front.
এটাই তোমার সত্যিকারের সম্ভাবনার পথ।
My old fears are melting away like fog.